Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your PayPal profile picture. Whether you're updating an outdated image, improving your account's appearance, or simply adding a more recent photo, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. This is a quick and simple update you can make from your account settings, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. You won't need any special tools or technical experience to complete it. If you want your profile to feel a little more personalized, or you just want to replace an old image with a new one, this process is very straightforward. A current profile picture can also make your account feel more recognizable and help keep your profile information up to date. To begin, sign into your PayPal account and look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon there, which opens your settings. Go ahead and click that icon to enter the settings area. This is the starting point for managing many of your account preferences and profile details. This is where PayPal keeps the main options related to your account, preferences, and profile details. If you ever need to update personal information or adjust account settings, this is generally where you'll find those options. Once you're in Settings, click on the Account tab. This section contains the basic information connected to your profile, and it's the place where you can make edits to how your account appears. It's designed to help you manage the information associated with your PayPal account in one convenient location. Take a second to make sure you're on the correct tab before moving on, since that's where the profile image option is located. Spending a moment to confirm you're in the right section can help you avoid confusion as you follow along. From here, look for your profile icon. Near it, you should see a pen icon, which is the Edit button. Click that pen icon to begin updating your profile picture. This icon is commonly used throughout many websites and apps to indicate that something can be edited or changed. If you don't notice it right away, just look carefully around the existing profile image area, because that's where the Edit option appears. Depending on your device or screen size, the layout may look slightly different, but the option should still be located near your current profile picture. After that, upload the photo you want to use. Choose an image that is clear and easy to recognize, especially if you want your account to look neat and professional. High-quality images generally work best, and selecting a recent photo can help keep your profile looking current. Depending on the file you select, you may be asked to confirm the change once the image finishes loading. When that happens, simply confirm the update, and that's it. The upload process is usually very quick, although it may take a little longer if you're using a larger image file or a slower internet connection. Your new PayPal profile picture should now be applied. In most cases, the change becomes visible right away, though it may take a short time to appear across all areas of your account. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to use a well-lit photo and make sure your face or subject is centered, since profile pictures are usually shown in a small circular format. That helps the image display nicely without important parts getting cut off. Choosing a simple background can also help the main subject stand out more clearly. So, again, the process is simple. Open the gear icon, go to the Account tab, click the pen icon on your profile picture, upload your new photo, and confirm. Following these steps should only take a few minutes from start to finish. Once you've done that, you're all set. Your updated profile picture should now reflect the image you've chosen and help personalize your PayPal account. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider giving the video a like and subscribing for more quick and easy guides that help you get the most out of your online accounts and apps.